Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how to enable gestures, navigation setting and how can be used in our Poco phone and guys two setting guys I will show you in this video friends. Three sorry friends. First guys how can we enable gesture navigation, how to use and how can we remove guys this three button navigation setting guys in our Poco phone. Today I will show you guys. So for starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting guys, after on phone setting guys scroll it. So when we will scroll friends, you can see guys your home screen setting guys, tap here. As you can see guys your navigation setting means system navigation setting guys, tap here. As you can see get your navigation guys, you will have to only click, then guys your get your navigation will enable. Second guys, how can we use get your navigation guys, you can see it showing guys, you can back from this right and left side guys, you want to back from this right and left side, you are in setting, you want to back, you can back from this right and left side, you want to close app, you can close app from here. As third setting guys, you can see guys we don't have this button navigation setting guys. So like that guys, you can enable your gesture setting and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye friends.